We all know that Bitcoin dumped to approximately $53,000 as it smashed through the $60,000 area of support. And we also know that we've had the most liquidations since the collapse of FTX, sitting around 600 million in the last 24 to 48 hours. But I'm starting to see a lot of people that are down horrendously. And I understand that to an extent. So let's talk about profit taking. And again, this is my strategy for profit taking. This might not work for you. Each portfolio is built differently. This is also not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. So I like to look at 4 different ways to take profit. With Bitcoin, that is a long-term hold. That is something I'm interested in passing down to my kids, and I will consider taking profit once we hit the 6-figure area. So I'm not really going to be taking profit with Bitcoin unless I have an active trade open. And then there are some of the larger cap coins. When I'm talking about larger coins, I'm talking about the larger cap coins in the top 100 or 200. These are more solid projects, or should be more solid projects, and they have pretty high market caps. Those I like to essentially kind of actively trade or do more of swing trading. And what I want to do is I want to create a moon bag. So I will do my due diligence, I will take my disposable income, and I will either start dollar cost averaging or enter in a position. Once number starts to go up, maybe it's 10%, 20%, 30%, 50%, really kind of depends what type of market we're in, I'll start taking profits to make a moon bag. And a moon bag is when you remove initial investment, profits, and enough to pay taxes. And when I have that moon bag free and clear, I can either participate in staking or whatever that is, or just simply hold it because I anticipate that project to do well in the future. And yes, there's risks associated with that. And the next tier, the 3rd tier, is going to be some of the lower cap stuff. The lower cap stuff carries a lot more risk, and it's going to be a lot different than meme coins or celeb coins. And these are brand new projects sometimes, or maybe some projects that were around for a while but didn't really perform super well, and those are going to be a lot more volatile because they have a smaller market cap. Those I'm going to be very much aggressively taking profit out of because I don't know if they're going to be around like either Bitcoin or some of the mid cap coins or the larger cap coins like Ethereum or Solana, whatever that may be. And I do the same thing. I make a moon bag, but those are going to be a lot more aggressive. And some of the lower cap stuff does have the opportunity to 2, 3, 4, 5 times whatever it is. And I am actively pulling profit like a savage on those, okay? And then the last tier is going to be the meme coins and the celeb coins. Those are, and also some of the pre-sale stuff too. And yes, these are extremely risky and volatile, which is why I'm very aggressively taking profit. And that doesn't mean dumping on the chart. It means simply setting some sells, like a bunch of tiny ones, so that you don't impact the chart, because it's really not fair to everyone else. And I like to do things in an ethical manner. But at the same time, I need to protect my capital. And I feel like there's a safe way for everybody to do that. But at the same time, you guys, meme coins and celeb coins and some of the pre-sales and some of those more risky things that you might want to participate in, they're not going to be here for the long term. Yes, there's outliers in every single industry. Doesn't matter what it is, especially with cryptos. We've seen some of these meme coins just do incredibly well. But at the same time, there's so much more risk associated. And with a lot of these meme coins, they do end up going to zero. So I don't know. This is my strategy that I like to use. I like to hold my Bitcoin long term. I like to, practice risk management with some of the larger cap coins, but still taking profit on the way up. So I have more capital to essentially buy the dip when number goes down, because number always goes down. And the same thing with the lower cap stuff and the meme coins, whatever. Anyways, thank you so much.